Back again, guys. Here we are with the 91 Miata. Today we're going to be doing a little upgrade. We're going to give the pop-up headlights some LEDs. Let's see what we got. Just got some eBay LEDs. You know, that no-name brand joint. This is all you get for directions. Nothing very extensive. Let's see. Comes with the power and the negative, and these two right here are for the turn signal, or at least according to this fine set of directions, that's what it says. So let's get it in. First off, working with anything with the electronics, you're definitely going to want to unplug the battery before you get started. So let's start with that. Don't mind the mess. Make sure that ain't gonna touch anything. Let that hang out. So first thing you're gonna want to do is pop up the headlights. Actually, the first thing you're gonna want to do is pop up the headlights before you disconnect the battery. Unlike me, don't be like me. Pop your headlights up first before you disconnect the battery. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is unscrew these 4 bolts right here and take the assembly off. Sweating my ass off. Take the cover off and be gentle with it because it is 30 years old. Thing you're going to want to do is take out the screws, see, let the camera focus, that hold in the light itself. You see another one right there, and one more at the bottom right here. So you got 1, 2, 3 holding in the headlight assembly. Alright, the whole ring comes out like so. Now, on the headlight, you have these 2 clips right here and right here. You just pinch those. See if I can do this with one hand. And of course I can't. And there she is. One headlight out. Alright guys, so this is the new bulb. So now for the wiring. Let's see, we got your power wire, your negative wire, and according to the diagram that was sent with me, these 2 right here are turn signal 1 and turn signal 2. To power these you need 12 volts. You don't want to hook it to the battery, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it to my turn signal right here. So I'm going to tap into that 12 volts for the power, the negative. Take this off. Alright guys, so I got it all set up. All the wires are soldered together. Got some electrical tape on them, it should be good. I got turn signal line 2, which is gonna have to run into this turn signal here. So I'm gonna put all this assembly back together, put headlight number 1 over here, because that's where I have line 1 lined up, this blue one in here. And yeah, let's get it. That's what I like to see. Now that makes me happy. Turn signal on. And it looks like they're flashing at the same time too, which is great. Alright, so that's good news. Let's put this bad boy together.